Hi YouTube fam, my name is Roxy and on this channel we talk about everything money.
Before we jump into today's topic, if you will go ahead and subscribe if you are new here, hit that notification bell to stay abreast on new uploads, and feel free to drop a comment, like, and share so that we can help reach others that may benefit from this content as well. And again, I do thank you.
Hi everyone, we're going to start off with a scripture for today. Let your faith be bigger than your fear. Hebrews 13:16. Hey guys, so listen, I'm here to let you all know that this company is actually giving away $75,000 for you to pursue whatever your passion may be. All right, I'm going to leave this link in the description box below, but it's with the Unshackled. It is sponsoring a fearless individual who wants to break free from their daily grind to pursue the job they've always dreamed of having. All right, that lucky person can be you. Now, you must post your original video. It's got to be a maximum of 90 seconds on your Instagram account describing your passion and how you will utilize this $75,000 of prize money to pursue your passion. And you have to include the hashtags that it has listed here as well, okay? So we're just going to skim to the contest rules. No purchase is necessary to enter this contest. A purchase does not increase your chances of winning, okay? So just keep that in mind. You will go ahead and read this promotion period. It begins 12 a.m. Eastern Time on August the 10th, and it ends 11:59 p.m. Eastern Time on September the 7th, 2022. All right. So you have time. You have the eligibility here. I'm not going to read everything, but you must be a legal resident of 50 states in the U.S. and the District of Columbia. And you have to be 21 years of age or older for this. All right. It talks about how you could enter this contest. And during the promotion period, you need to post your original video, as I mentioned before, including all the hashtags it has listed here. Multiple strengths are not permitted. So do not try to use multiple Instagrams accounts because they will know. Okay, so don't do that. It has to be one Instagram account, period. All right, so I'm just giving you information here, but you can read all of this once you go to that site. It has the entry guidelines as well. Again, you must be original and entry must be original and must be in English. All right, with a host of other guidelines here as well. So listen, guys, this is a perfect time to go ahead and get your video and get your stuff together and prepare what you want to say. Again, make sure it's not more than 90 minutes long, and do all of the things that it tells you to do for qualification so that you won't be disqualified, because $75,000, oh my gosh, that is amazing. And they want to give it to the person that stands out the most, and you must sell yourself on why you need this money to pursue your passion. So I think that is amazing. So go ahead and get that in. But I'm just skimming through so you all can see it has the grand prize, the winner determination, and all that great stuff. Grand prize number 1 is $75,000. Then you have it shows that it'll be delivered in 2 different checks, looks like. Okay. But yeah, this is so amazing, guys. Please do not miss out on this opportunity to be that lucky winner. Okay. This is simply, I'm still in awe about it. Go ahead and get your video submitted ASAP. Okay. And good luck to everyone that enters this contest. And if you would like to continue getting content like this, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit that like button and leave a comment, please. See you all in my next video. Bye-bye for now.
You get to cry. Thank you.
Thank you so much for watching. And as always, please share, like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't already. And have a great day.